Hello friends, I just bought some cool RGB backlit mechanical keyboards which looks quite similar to Philips gaming keyboard. We also got ourselves a bit expensive one with palm rest, some cool features, so let's first check it out. Before that, be sure to subscribe and watch the video till end. This metal mechanical gaming keyboard is designed to provide an ergonomic typing experience. Thanks to its wrist rest, other features of the gaming keyboard include customized backlighting, smartphone holder, and responsive keys. There's also decoration LED light on the sides. The speed of the LEDs in breathing mode can be adjusted. The green decoration LED light can be enabled and disabled or turned to breathing mode. The lights for each key can be set by choosing profiles with FN and numeric keys from 1 to 9 depending on your genre. You can also customize the key set and save profile on 9 by using FN and home key. Apart from fancy colorful LED lights, the most basic function of a solid backlight keyboard is to allow you to see all your keys in the dark, enabling you to type with ease without issues. Many users choose Blue Switch for its obvious clicky rhythm, while some professional gaming players choose Black Switch for its short travel distance and for quicker response. As you can see, these are some pros and cons of these two cheap gaming keyboards.
Knockout. You win.
That's it guys, until next time, see ya.